Hey guys, and Merry Christmas to you and your family. So, to end this Advent calendar series, which I just enjoyed a lot, I of course want to share the complete Advent calendar album, but I also want to do another Christmas giveaway to thank you all for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and also giving me lovely feedback on my tutorials. And after I did a giveaway in which you could win one of my Advent calendar bundles last Sunday, I wanted this giveaway today to be especially for all of you who purchased my page style bundle on Etsy. So the first prize goes to one of those who have already purchased my Advent calendar bundle or are going to purchase it until the 1st of January. But the second and the third prize is open to everyone. Okay, so let's have a look on the prizes you can win. And the first prize is this amazing bookbinding ruler set, which is such a great tool to make all your album covers. And I have actually talked about it in my tool video as well as in my album cover tutorial where I also used it. So if you haven't seen these videos yet, you can check them out on my YouTube channel. But with the ruler set, the first winner will also get this glue eraser, which I am using every time I'm making an album because it's such a lifesaver and it really erases all glue marks on your projects. And then the first prize also includes a cute camera stamp set, including the camera stamp I would always use on my photo mats. So again, the first prize is going to one of those who have already purchased or going to purchase my interactive page style mini album bundle on Etsy until the 1st of January. And it includes all cutting guides as well as templates and video tutorials to make the album cover, the hinge, and all 25 interactive page styles. And then the second and the third prize, which is open to everyone, also includes a camera stamp set each. So to win this set, you would need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment with your favorite page style as well. And if you'd like to get an extra entry, you can also follow me on Instagram and share my profile in your Instagram story and then send me a screenshot of it. So that's it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching the final project share of my December daily or Advent calendar album. And if you did so, I would of course love to get your feedback in the comments. And then good luck to anyone who's joining the giveaway, and enjoy your holidays and spend great time with your family, and see you in my next video. Bye!